To double crochet 3 stitches together, yarn over your hook and insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through, so there are 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over your hook again and insert into the second stitch. Yarn over your hook and pull through. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over your hook again, insert into the third stitch, yarn over and pull through. So you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. So you have 4 loops remaining, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. I'm now just going to do 2 standard double crochets, then I'll show you how to double crochet 3 stitches together again. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and let's go. Yarn over, insert into stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into second stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through all remaining loops on hook. And that is how to double crochet 3 stitches together.